Give me a full tank of gas. Transmission jack. I took off the corners. Go there, make a flat surface. And we're gonna lower the tank with it. You would normally get it from here, it's flat here. On the rear driver seat. But we are not replacing the fuel pump. Dropping the tank to get all the gas out of it, put some new gas in it. I went ahead and disconnected these lines from up top since I can see it, and should be able to lower it some more. Normally you would get it from the top, take this clip off, and it'll pop out. Cleaned it off, press it down so nothing can fall in when I take it out.
A few moments later.
Going back up. Put that one side up. Hooked it by the filler neck. Got it hanging like that. Put it on that transmission jack next. Ready to go up. Get it in position. Put the straps on next. What I'm gonna do is connect these connectors back up. Put that strap on back there. Now we ready for gas. Now stay running. Don't stay on. Get it out, get it out. Smoke. It's the longest it stayed on so far. Get it out, get it out. Be careful with gas you put in these cars, man. If it's unleaded, 87, make sure you look at those numbers. Don't pick up that diesel or premium. Now she's gonna have to ride this out. Alright, I'm done, man. If y'all liking the content, man, give it a thumbs up. Gotta burn that old gas up out of those lines. Thumbs up, man. Y'all get at me. Pull up, Ken. Like, comment, subscribe.